Here's how to sign up and sign into Kanopy through the Bloomfield College Portal. First thing you need to do is sign into the Bloomfield College Portal with your Bloomfield College email and your password. Once you go there, you'll see library resources and databases in the highlighted region in red, that's circled in red. Go to the words Library Resources and Databases. Click on those words. Once you click onto those words, it will take you to another page. This page, go to the middle of the screen and click on the computers that are in the middle of the screen. Scroll to the very bottom of this Research Databases page and you'll see Kanopy. Select Kanopy. Click on Kanopy and it'll take you to the Kanopy page. There you'll need to sign up. Sign up with your first name, your last name, your Bloomfield College email, and create a new password. Once you do that, go back to the login page with your Bloomfield College email and your new password. It will take you back to the Kanopy page where then you will be able to look for any titles that you'd like to and watch them at your leisure. That's how to sign up and sign into Kanopy through the Bloomfield College Portal.